of the hardest parts of being a wedding guest isn't just picking the dress, it's picking the polish. Usually, we play it safe. We go for milky white for that clean girl aesthetic, or a soft lavender for spring weddings. If it's a winter wedding, maybe you reach for a deep burgundy or a classic navy blue. But sometimes, a safe nude nail just isn't enough. Sometimes the dress demands drama. Today, I'm skipping the simple sheers and creating a jewel tone masterpiece, mixing emerald, sapphire blue, and gold. And this look actually comes with a history lesson about a royal heist. For this look, I'm combining two of the most regal colors in history, a deep royal blue and a rich emerald green. These shades remind me of the Romanov imperial court, specifically the Grand Duchess Maria Pavlovna. She was the queen of St. Petersburg society, and she didn't do settle. She wore diamonds, sapphires, and emeralds all at once. But in 1917, when the revolution hit, she had to flee. She couldn't take her massive jewelry collection with her, so she locked it all, the emeralds, the diamonds, everything, in a secret vault inside her palace. While I add these intricate gold details, which fit perfectly whether you're wearing a gold, champagne, or black dress, let's talk about the heist. An English secret agent named Albert Stopford decided to rescue the jewels. He didn't have a plan, he just had nerve. He dressed as a workman, sneaked past the guards, and broke into the Duchess' boudoir. He found the jewel-tone treasure trove. To smuggle them out, he didn't use a fancy case. He wrapped the priceless tiaras in old newspaper and shoved them into a pair of second-hand boots. He successfully smuggled them across the border, and today, those jewels are worn by the British royal family. And here is the finished look. We have the navy blue swirling into the emerald green, tied together with that luxurious gold. If you are attending a black tie wedding or wearing a simple, solid-colored dress in navy, black, or beige, a manicure like this acts as your jewelry. You don't need a bracelet when your nails look like this. So, are you team milky white and safe? Or are you brave enough to wear royal jewel tones to your next event? Let me know in the comments which color matches your next guest outfit. Don't forget to subscribe for more couture inspiration.